For sale, 2022 Ford E-Series Cutaway 16-foot box truck. The 2022 Ford E-Series Cutaway offers a reliable and versatile solution for businesses in need of a durable box truck. Powered by a 7.3-liter V8 engine, delivering 305 horsepower paired with an automatic transmission, it provides both strength and efficiency. Built on a 176-inch wheelbase with a GVWR of 12,500 pounds, this unit is equipped with a Morgan aluminum 16-foot box body featuring a roll-up rear door, aluminum walk-up ramp, and a translucent roof for added visibility. It also comes with dual rear wheels, spring suspension, and a 40-gallon fuel tank, making it ideal for a wide range of commercial hauling operations. Inside, the cab is equipped with comfort and convenience features such as power windows, locks, mirrors, and a rear-view camera kit. Safety and technology are enhanced by Ford's Co-Pilot 360 collision avoidance system and the Driver Assist Tech package, offering peace of mind during every trip. The truck's white exterior and gray interior present a clean, professional look suitable for any business. This E-Series has a clean Carfax history with only one owner and no accidents reported. With just 77,159 miles and 2,208 engine hours, it remains in excellent condition and is priced competitively for a quick sale. It's a dependable, low-mileage unit ready to go to work immediately.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.